people of Jammu and Kashmir, isn't that the former chief minister keeping in mind of that? But what exactly began as a spat on social media? Let's put out as far as this comment that has riled up both the National Conference and the BJP as well. The Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has accused Mehbooba Mufti of attempting to please someone sitting across the border and has also called out as a blind lust to score some cheap publicity points. The BJP, which is accusing Mehbooba of standing with Pakistan at a time when India is demanding answers from them over cross-border terrorism. And that is now visible on social media as far as when it comes to Omar Abdullah and the former chief minister, who have now come across as far as at crossroads when it comes to the Indus Water Treaty. Well, to a reply which Mehbooba Mufti gave, citing that Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah's call to revive the Tulbul navigation project amid ongoing tensions between India and Pakistan is deeply unfortunate, and at a time when both countries have just stepped back from the brink of a full-fledged war, with Jammu and Kashmir bearing the maximum brunt. To which Omar Abdullah responded saying that actually what is unfortunate is that with your blind lust to try and score some cheap publicity points and please some people sitting across the border, you refuse to acknowledge that the Indus Water Treaty has been one of the biggest historic betrayals of the interests of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And I have always opposed this treaty and I will continue to do so. Opposing a blatantly unfair treaty is in no way and in any shape, size or form warmongering. It is about correcting a historic injustice that denied the people of Jammu and Kashmir the right to use our water for ourselves. And there is a clip by Omar Abdullah that has also been shared that contains a reaction of Mehbooba Mufti, where she herself in that clip seems to be denouncing the Indus Water Treaty. Let's listen in how the BJP is reacting.
आज भी वो पाकिस्तान के प्रति जो इनका प्रेम है वो बार बार जागृत होता है। तो इतना शायद हिंदुस्तान के लिए किया होता तो मिलिटेंट्स की सपोर्ट ना की होती तो शायद ये पहलगाम जैसे हादसे टल गए होते, इस चीज़ की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। आप लोगों ने ही बार बार उनसे बात करो, ये करो, वो करो, ड्यूल करेंसी करो, हम ये करेंगे, ट्रेड शुरू करो, उसी के कारण से ये सत्यानाश हुआ है।
खून और पानी साथ में नहीं बह सकते जनाब। हमारे जम्मू कश्मीर के बेसरन में 26 लोगों को मारा गया है। मैडम महबूबा का दिमाग मुझे लगता है पता नहीं क्यों पाकिस्तान की तरफ चलता रहता है। वो जम्मू कश्मीर की नागरिक हैं, वो भारत की नागरिक हैं। इस समय पे उन्हें भारत की बात करनी चाहिए, देश के साथ रहना चाहिए। हमारे सिविलियन मारे गए हैं, 26 लोग मारे गए हैं, लेकिन मैडम महबूबा अभी भी पाकिस्तान की बोली बोल रही हैं। बड़ा अफसोस है मैडम महबूबा पे कि आज भी वो हमारे देश के साथ खड़ी नहीं। लगता है कि वो पाकिस्तान की तरफ ही आकर्षित होती है।